Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an emoji onto your image in Snapseed. So let's get started right away. Now, since there is no emoji feature within the Snapseed application, you will need to first download your preferred emoji using your web browser. So just search for your emoji using your search engine, and then from the images section, you can just download your preferred emoji. Once you have downloaded your emoji, go ahead and open up the Snapseed application. You can then tap on the plus icon or the open button to choose the image on which you would like to place your emoji. After choosing your image, you will be taken into the edit menu. From here, tap on Tools and then scroll down and tap on Double Exposure. You can now tap on the Open Image button in order to open up the emoji that you have just downloaded. Once you open up the emoji, you can use the pinch and zoom feature in order to scale it to your desired size, and you can also position it and place it wherever you wish. Now just tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner to fix your position. From here, tap on Edit Stack and then tap on View Edits. Then tap on Double Exposure once again, and then use the middle option to fine-tune your double exposure. Now first of all, tap on Invert, and now you will see the whole image highlighted in red color. Now double tap to zoom in and make sure the double exposure value is set to 0. Now you can just use the provided brush in order to remove the red highlight from every part of the image, apart from the emoji that you would like to keep. Once you have carefully removed the red highlight from every other part of your image, except for your preferred emoji, you can then tap on the tick mark once again. Now you will see that your emoji has been applied, but it is slightly transparent. So in order to fix this, tap on Double Exposure once again, and then tap on Settings. From here, tap on Opacity, and now you can use the slider to set your desired opacity level. Then tap on the tick mark once again, and now your opacity settings have been applied to your emoji, and you can now download your image from the export option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add an emoji onto your image in Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.